In this video, I'll show you how you can be able to transfer your Figma community handle and all its files. Suppose that you have uploaded files to it from one account to another. So let's get into the video. First of all, let's go back to an account. As you can see, I have two different accounts, this and this, but those are just random emails I created for the course of this tutorial. So go back to your account. As you can see, it has your Figma. This account has a Figma handle of Hey Medusa, but suppose that we want to transfer this Hey Medusa from this account. We want this account's name to be Hey Medusa, and all of what was uploaded in this account, let it reflect on this account. So go back to this section, come on to settings, scroll to your community, click on community, and then scroll down here, add profile connection. Pick an account you want to connect. Since you want to transfer it to this account, click on this, continue, and then this account is added. And after adding the other account, after adding the profile, then click on this, click on the second account, the account you want to have the username, click on it, and now the other account is the primary email to this community file, and you can remove this other one, this Hey Medusa, so that it will no longer have access to the community file. When you click on remove, it's being removed. So after that, come to your account, click on it. You'll see that the community profile now is under King Figma. It's no longer underneath Hey Medusa. So you click on it, you see that it's Hey King Figma that has it. It's no longer with this account. If you then go back, click on this account, and come to community. You see that it has successfully transferred to this account. So yeah, that's how it is.